Thank you for your interest in the Deluxe Galvanic High Frequency Tabletop Unit. Before demonstrating, as a reminder, please keep all original packaging until you've fully tested all functions of the unit. It is recommended to keep the original packaging until the duration of your warranty period. Start by flipping the power switch, located on the back. Then press the power button as shown. Press the select function button to switch between galvanic or high frequency. When galvanic is selected, you have the option to select neutral skin, sensitive skin, or extra sensitive skin, depending on client's comfort level. You can set a timer to your desire, as shown. You have the option to select a positive or negative galvanic skin treatment. A negative galvanic skin treatment increases blood flow by breaking up and carrying away toxins, while the positive galvanic skin treatment is used to enable the nutrients in a skin care product to reach deeper into the skin. You can control the energy strength for both galvanic treatments by pressing the plus or minus as shown. It is recommended to start low first and then increasing the energy based on client's comfort level. Press the start button to start the treatment and pause button to pause the treatment. This unit comes with 2 pairs of galvanic electrodes. The roller electrodes are used for large areas of the face and neck, while the ball-shaped electrodes are used for creases of the nose and around the eyes. In addition, a water-soluble conductive gel should always be applied to the client's skin for all galvanic treatments. When the high frequency is selected, you have the option to control the energy level by pressing the plus or minus, based on client's comfort level. This unit contains 4 unique high-frequency glass electrodes. The mushroom shape for large areas of the face and neck. The spoon shape for creases of the nose and around the eyes. The rod shape for larger areas of the face and neck. And the small point shape for specific targeted areas. A helpful tip to avoid shocking your clients is to hold your finger on the glass electrode as you apply the treatment. After each use, sanitize the electrodes with disinfecting wipes. Thank you for your interest in the Deluxe Galvanic High Frequency Tabletop Unit. If you would like to learn more, please click the link in the top left video screen.